Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining my channel, can you click on the subscribe button? If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to like and comment. It's a hair wash day. Wash my hair with me. So I'll be combing my hair. I'll be combing it out. Then I want the front to be relaxed, so I'll be applying just a little bit of relaxer on it to just make it slip down and make it look so nice. I like my front hair looking so nice. I don't want to relax the whole hair for now, so I just feel like relaxing the front only, and this is what I'm doing here. I am washing out thoroughly without any relaxer remaining on my hair. I am washing out thoroughly. Then I go with my shampoo. I apply my shampoo, I scrub it, I wash it thoroughly, very well. You need to wash your hair thoroughly when wash it by yourself. You need to wash it thoroughly and you need to massage it. Then I go with my conditioner to condition my hair. After applying the conditioner, I massage it very well. Then I comb it out while the conditioner is still on my hair, not after washing. You comb it while the conditioner is still on your hair. Then after combing out and you are sure the hair is detangled, then you can wash. You can rinse it out like I am doing here. Rinse it thoroughly, rinse it very well. After rinsing out, I allowed my hair to air dry. I didn't blow dry. Then I go with cleaning my face because the things in the conditioner, shampoos, I had to use the shower, and everything was all over my body, my skin, my face, so I had to clean it out to make my face clean. Then I apply my hair growth serum. It's also like my hair treatment. Then I massage it in. I massage it thoroughly. Then I comb it out. You can see how thick my hair is. My hair is not light, it's thick at the roots. So I am still working on the tip, but it is thick at the roots. My hair is very thick. Then I'm making a center parting just to style my hair, and this is it. This is my hair looking so beautiful. Then I tie it at the back. Look at my hair. So this is me laying my edges. Yeah, what is a hair without edges? And this is the end result of my hair wash day, and bye.